Hello my friends, today we are going to show you how we pack the new model HM-1501. Before packing, we will do final testing on caps. And before final testing on caps, we already made 2 times testing with the flat frame, t-shirt frame on the fabrics 2 times. And then, before packing, we do final testing with cap to make sure that the machine arrived at you with 100% condition. And after the machine finishes its final testing on caps, we will remove the thread on the machine. We will remove the thread from the machine, but we remain the thread on the thread tension base. So when you get to the machine, you'll know how to thread it quickly. And after we remove the thread, we will clean the machine well. And then when everything is ready, we put the machine on the wooden plate. After we put the machine on the wooden plate, we get all the accessories come together with the machine ready. It includes the flight frame, the flight table, and the table to put machine on, 2 sides t-shirt frames, 1 piece biggest t-shirt frame, and the t-shirt frame supporter, bobbin winder, cap station, cap hoops, cap attachment, tool box, machine standard, and also the user manual. Inside the tool box, it has 4 side consumable spare parts. All these accessories will come together with the machine, and it will be packed in the same wooden case as the machine. Stable 4 feet of the machine. And then we will cover the machine with the film to protect it from the water and damage. And then we close the wooden case. And after we close 3 sides wooden case, we put the accessories inside. After we pack everything together, we close the wooden case. And then we pack it well, safe and sound, to assure you receive the machine at 100% good condition.